Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change app icon in YNAB or You Need a Budget application. If you want to give your budgeting app a fresh look, then this tutorial will show you how to change your YNAB app icon step by step. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your smartphone, and then from the home page after logging in, click on the three dots at the top left corner. In the pop-up at the top left, click on Settings and Privacy. After you open up the Settings menu under App, tap on App icon. Now, from the list of app icons on the screen, choose the one you'd like to change to. And once you do that, you have successfully changed your app icon for YNAB application. Your YNAB app will now show the new icon, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.